Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu, Kogarasu desu. And today, we'll be going to SM at La Union. We had a friend meetup just to wander around SM. Currently, it is 9:24, so maybe I'll arrive before 11. We're just gonna grab a tricycle now, going to the waiting shed. Manamal po, kuya.
You probably noticed that I still wear a school ID just to get the student discount even though I was still a fresh graduate. But on the next years, I won't be able to get the student discount. Surprisingly, they accepted the discount. From my 110 pesos travel fee became 88 pesos. And let me tell you, the discount was only applied to students and PWD.
Alright, touchdown SM La Union. We're here. We're going to Starbucks. He's waiting for me there. Oh, just right there. Here, received my ramen. And my friend is still receiving his. It is basically tuna nigiri and the usual shoyu chicken, which is literally my favorite in Shibuya. Alright. Yep. Short context, guys. He's the guy that I met since the Project Sekai movie. Hi, guys.
Flashback.
Who's your favorite character sa group na yun? Bakit?
Si Mafuyu.
Oh, ay! Shoutout sa mga Mafia users. Bakit si Mafayo?
Kasi alam mo naman depressed siya, di ba? Look at her in the movie, Frank. She's always empty, depressed.
Oh, parang tayo lang.
It's been like years since we met, so yeah, let's enjoy some ramen then. Itadakimasu.
Alright, why did we meet up? It's not just because of ramen. Our main agenda was also supposedly to watch the Uma Musume movie. But unfortunately, this SM branch doesn't have the schedule of the movie. But if I were to go to SM Rosales and watch it alone instead, I can't. It's a 3-hour trip from my hometown to Pangasinan.
Wala, salty. Wala. Ano?
Attention anime is good though. It's good.
Anong impression mo doon? Impression? Absolute cinema na kagad.
I mean, it's the slime, bro. It's the slime. It's
Yeah?
the slime.
Pero to be honest, interested naman ako sa anime na yun, Tensura. Pero dahil sa sobrang busy, papanoorin ko sana, hindi ko napanood. Kaya I'm salty din. Like, gusto ko rin tingnan yung loob ng sinehan dun eh.
Hindi. Actually, mag-video sana din ako dun, pero may nag-roll na ads.
Huwag ka mag-film sa sinehan talaga.
Ay.
Kaya sabi ko, nung Project Sekai movie, I'm just gonna enjoy the the widescreen rather than being kicked out. Alright, so we're heading to the first floor. Since my friend here haven't explored all of SM yet, why not indulge him to explore all of SM?
Ano?
Yan yung trinay mo?
O, yan yung trinay ko.
Oh, I've never been to that pero try ko sa susunod. Eto, Gashapon, dito ako naganda noon. Where's the bocce? Where's the bocce? Tingnan ko lang Kung nandito pa yung bocce. Nandito pa kaya yun? Bocce, where are you, bocce? Wala na. Nasa yung bocce? Dito ko na last. Napalitan ng Demon Slayer.
Ayun, free rin.
Free rin? Ay, oo, nakita ko din yan. Full Metal Alchemist. Ay, Nikki, oh. Thing is, though, nakuha ko na kalahati ng Kesaku Band.
Anong ulang mo?
Si Ryo at si Bocchi. Hatsune Miku. Ay, oo, Hatsune Miku to. Kusuriya no Hitori Goto.
Mga tinanggal.
Yeah, for parang finish out na. Where is Bocchi? Where are my gals? Suicide Squad. Ay, Suicide Squad. I had a bad feeling, wala na. Kasi nung last ako nag-Gashapon, March pa. Well, fuck, wala na. Kahit yun. Ay, hindi ko napansin, My Hero Academia. Sa tabi ng Nikki. Dandadan. Full Metal, Dragon Ball. Oh, basta dito talaga yun. Wala na, sayang. Rising Freedom. Sa Freedom.
Oh, freedom.
Miraidon. Fucking Arceus. White Kyurem. And another Arceus. Pero ito din eh. Ito din yung ano namin nun. Interest din namin nun. Ito, One Piece. Ang alam ko, straight na barko lang daw siya. And then there's the other ones.
I wanna buy this too.
Yeah, no money for now. Broke. We found the win. Honkai Star Rail, Ranmei, Robin, Herta. And then we got Wuwa goods below here.
Bran, Cantarella, and Cartitia.
Cartitia. Ano pa meron? Sa likod, meron pa siguro. Haikyuu Dandadan. Oh, meron pa pala dito. Ay, ano? Uy, photo. I don't know if photo cards mga to. Okay. Cute.
Wait, is this Amigo?
Yeah, it is Miku. Ayun, 39. Thank you! Monkey! Banana! Pretty much ano, parang random TCG. Sakamoto Days. Spy X Family. May Ultraman pa dito talaga. Sa Spy X Family. Ultraman?
Damn.
Oh wait na, Iron Man. Oh, right down here.
Bro is sad.
Ano nang iniisip mo dyan, boy? Kumamang kawaii desu ne. Stan Dior and Lloyd. And Anya. Anya Matanaya. Ang sasamahan nyo? Ayan, si Gyu. Tomioka Gyu. Ay, ang sama nila, oh. Ang sama nila. Bakit kayo ganyan kay Gyu? Why are you being like that to my man Gyu?
Bro is one, bro. The butterfly Ashira, bro.
It's the butterfly effect. So, a bit of soft drinks break because it's still about to be 2 p.m. so there's still a lot to do. We still have to kill some time here in SM La Union. If ano lang to if Robinsons to, like wala na tayong magagawa eh. Wala na. Uy,
Isang lang. Parang 1 hour.
parang ano.
Walang natambay na.
Oh, wala akong matatampay doon. Kahit ako, nung bagong bili ko lang tong cellphone, itong oras, 1 year na tong cellphone ko eh. Wala. Ikot lang ako ng ikot. Pero baka dito, baka makaka-arcade pa nga tayo eh. Likely. So, it's still 1:58. We still have lots to walk. Leg day. Baka may mano din tayo, mabili.
To not bore ourselves even further, we tried out the VR that is in the arcade. We picked the horror experience, and as you can see, there is a TV screen behind us. When you pick the horror experience, they won't be showing it on screen so that the viewers outside will not be spoiled.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my fuck. Hello sir. My good sir. My good sir. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. If you want my channel, I can't let it happen to you. Some more. Where the I see webby area. I see my own feet. Oh my god. Oh god. I don't know. I have no clue. What's worse, baka mahulog pa itong cellphone ko. Hindi. Blood is rising. Shit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. 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 Ew. 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 Tapos na? Woo. Bro, good. So, in the end, we bought the biggest win for today. Honkai Star Rail merch. I got hurt,
And Ruan May.
Genius Society.
No, I'm not genius.
We're both-
This is genius.
We are so dumb. Pumaldo lang kami sa pag-graduate. I don't know if you're graduate yet.
Nah, not actually, not yet.
But for me, yes. Paldo.
Although,
Alright, we'll be leaving now because today is Saturday. Seems I have to walk to Mana Mall now. Diyan ka sasakay? Ah, there's your ride right there. Alright, bro. Thank you for the time, bro.
it was good time.
Yeah, thank you. Kita kits. Alright, going home now. Fuck. It did not receive me, fuck. It did not let me in. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, it was such a nice time being with my boy. Good times. Pero hopefully we'll meet up again.